It happened just after 1 o'clock this afternoon, and it hadn't happened in over a year. The Dow Industrial Average went over the 10,000 mark, closing at 10,015, just about where it was in early October a year ago. Remarkable considering that last March the Dow had sunk to 6,500, and investor outlook on the economy was so sour many feared it might crater even more. It's another sign that confidence is returning to Wall Street. Betsy Stark is on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange this evening. Betsy?
Well, good evening, Charlie. You know, we calculated today that mutual fund investors have recouped almost $1.5 trillion since the Dow's low point in March. It is much less scary these days to open your monthly investment statement.
Traders celebrated when the Dow touched 10,000.
I mean, Dow 10,000 on the way down wasn't as much fun as Dow 10,000 on the way up.
It may be just a number, but it is also a symbol of how much things have improved, at least on Wall Street.
A year ago, it was a meltdown. We didn't know if we were going to be here this time last year. No one suspected we'd be over Dow 10,000 this day last year, no question about it.
A year ago, Wall Street was imploding. Some of its mightiest investment banks had collapsed. There was genuine fear of another Great Depression. Fast forward a year later, and the rebound is nothing short of remarkable. Since bottoming in March of this year, the Dow has soared 53%, almost 3,500 points, a broad-based advance led by financial and technology companies.
It's obviously it's another indication that the wind is sort of behind the market at the moment, and we're moving a little higher.
Yeah. Today's push to 10,000 was powered by news of unexpectedly strong profits at the banking giant J.P. Morgan, which appeared vulnerable just a year ago. Yesterday, technology powerhouse Intel posted surprisingly good numbers. Goldman Sachs and Google are expected to wow investors some more tomorrow.
I think the market's going to go forward at least to the end of the year, and then we'll readjust.
But while corporate America seems to be in recovery mode, Main Street Americans continue to struggle. Dolores Holmes, who hopes to retire someday from running a bed and breakfast, saw her retirement savings drop almost 80% and still has a long way to go to get back to where she was.
It was a big increase this last statement, which was very positive. But as far as the business goes, it's not going to come back as quickly as I need it to.
The first time the Dow passed through 10,000 about a decade ago, they passed out these hats. I saved mine, as you can see. Well, they passed them out again today. This one says Dow 10,000 2.0. Charlie?
Betsy Stark reporting tonight from the floor of a rather relieved New York Stock Exchange. Thanks to you.